Do you have someone in mind that you would love to shower with gifts? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. When I will be creating some easy aesthetic DIY gifts with stuff you already have at home. So make sure to like this video and subscribe. And speaking of video, let's jump right into it. To start off, grab some toilet paper. Now the length will depend on how big you want your rose to be. Next, fold the corner once, then fold again, but this time twisting the corner up, just like this. Now repeat this motion until you reach the very end. It should end up looking like a gathered skirt. Now once you're done, roll the toilet paper along the edges. Start a little tighter, then gradually loosen your grip to create more emphasis on the shape of the rose. Next, grab some clear tape and wrap it around the ends of the rose to ensure that it stays in place. And now we are on to the fun part. Take an eyeshadow or blush palette, then use a makeup brush to paint your rose according to your desired colors. Take a piece of paper and roll it up into a cone. This will be your wrap for the roses. To keep the roses in a tight bunch, tie them together with an elastic band. And tie it around the cone for some extra cuteness. Then add a little glue around the rim of the cone to make sure the roses stay in place. And finally, fold a piece of paper into a tag shape and write a small message. And now you are finally done. These roses are so cute and easy to make for free. For the next gift, cut out a small rectangular piece of cardboard and cover it with some paper. Print out or draw some of your favorite pictures. I chose these two super adorable cats. Then cover the pictures with some clear tape or some self-adhesive book cover. Then glue the image on a piece of cardboard thicker than the rectangle we cut out earlier. Then glue another small square of cardboard behind the image. This will create a 3D effect. Now this part I did most of it off camera. All you have to do now is to draw on some Spotify music player details. You may use a reference photo for some extra precision. The next step is to draw a Spotify code and cover it with some clear tape or some self-adhesive book cover. Then glue it onto a thick piece of cardboard and glue it onto your card as a final finishing touch. Here's how it turned out. This looks super cute. I especially love the cats on here. Comment down below what's your favorite song. I'd love to hear it. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Comment down below who you'll be making these gifts for. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on the next easy DIY craft. Until next time, have a wonderful day and goodbye.